This is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. This vehicle has a white exterior with a black interior. Blind spot assist. Some really nice accent trim here. Really sharp vehicle here. Now coming around to the rear, we have the GLA 250, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging. And a power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. Take a look at our rear seats. See this nice accent stitching is also throughout the vehicle. Rear seats here. And quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. Take a look at our driver's side next. So we do have memory seats for both driver and passenger side, as well as heated seats. You can see the seat controls right here. Driver door controls. Driver's seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. Go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. And we're currently at 21,397 for mileage. A push button ignition. So here you can see our Mercedes-Benz touchscreen display. Just control it by touching it, or you also have the command module down here. You can make adjustments as needed. So here we have our radio. Different seat comfort options here. And we have backup camera. Now below the display we have our climate control. And then cup holders, command module here, center console storage, and the Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you're interested in learning more about this vehicle, getting any photos, or seeing anything else on our showroom floor or lot, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.